Hey everyone! I hope you're doing great today. If you've ever thought about making money online but didn't know how to start, then you're in exactly the right place. Today, I've got something incredible to share with you. I found a super practical course on Udemy called How to Start Earning Online. This course is designed for total beginners, no previous experience, no investment needed. It walks you step by step through real, actionable ways to start making money online. The original price of this course is around €20, but I've made it possible for you to access it completely free of charge, no payment required. Plus, at the end of the course, you'll receive an official certificate of completion from Udemy. So if you're looking for a solid way to start your journey toward making money online, stay with me until the end of this video. We're about to explore an amazing opportunity together. First, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the valid link to be redirected to the desired website. Make sure that what you type is exactly what is needed to be transferred to the desired page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, you can directly view the latest Udemy courses offered with special discount coupons. To access the discount coupon for the desired course, simply click on the course link. The course page will open for you, and you can view the course details here. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to pay attention to the expiration date to be able to access the discount coupon for this course. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you just saw, I was able to get this course completely free through gotodiscounts.com, instead of paying the original price of €20. But keep in mind, this discount isn't permanent, it's only available for the next 3 days. So if you're interested, don't wait, grab the course now while it's still free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, it really helps the channel and lets me know you enjoy this kind of content. And if you're interested in more free courses, discounts, and learning opportunities, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss any of the upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Wishing you all the best on your learning and online earning journey. Until the next video, stay motivated and keep growing.